Delta Airlines, one of the world's oldest airlines, was founded in 1925 and today operates nearly 1,000 mainline aircraft. Its current wide-body fleet consists of Airbus A330 South, A350s, and Boeing 767s. Over its long history, however, Delta has flown a variety of wide-body aircraft that are no longer in service. These aircraft played critical roles in Delta's operations and the evolution of commercial aviation. The Airbus A310-200 joined Delta's fleet in 1991 when the airline acquired 21 aircraft from Pan Am during its bankruptcy. These planes were Delta's first Airbus models, primarily serving transatlantic routes. However, the A310's time with Delta was short-lived. By 1993, older A310 South were replaced with newer leased A310-300s, and the remaining Pan Am aircraft were returned. The A310s were fully retired by 1995, replaced by the more efficient Boeing 767-300s. Another iconic aircraft in Delta's history is the Boeing 747, also known as the Queen of the Skies. Delta operated 47 of these four-engine jumbo jets from 1970 to 2018. Known for its exceptional range and capacity, the 747 revolutionized long-haul air travel. However, with advancements in fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787, the 747 was gradually phased out. Delta retired its last 747 in 2018, marking the end of an era for one of aviation's most beloved aircraft. The Boeing 777 was another significant wide-body in Delta's fleet, introduced in 1999 for ultra-long-haul routes. Delta was the launch customer for the extended-range 777-OOLR, a jet capable of connecting distant destinations non-stop. Despite its capabilities, the 777 was retired in 2020 as part of Delta's strategy to simplify and modernize its fleet, transitioning to newer and more efficient aircraft like the Airbus A350. The Lockheed L1011 TriStar was a mainstay in Delta's operations for nearly 3 decades. First introduced in 1973, Delta operated 70 TriStars, including multiple variants. This versatile aircraft was used for everything from domestic routes to transatlantic flights, with the long-range L1011 to 500 variant flying to Honolulu. The TriStar was retired in 2001 as Delta modernized its fleet. The McDonnell Douglas DC-10 was a short-lived addition to Delta's wide-body fleet. Initially ordered in the early 1970s to address delays with the Lockheed TriStar, Delta quickly returned its initial DC-10s to United Airlines in 1975. Later, following its merger with Western Airlines in 1987, Delta briefly operated 12 more DC-10s before retiring the model altogether in 1988. Lastly, the McDonnell Douglas MD-11 joined Delta in 1991 as a successor to the DC-10. Featuring greater cargo capacity and updated engines, the MD-11 was initially intended for trans-Pacific and transatlantic routes. However, Delta retired the MD-11 in 2004 as it transitioned to more efficient models like the Boeing 767 and Airbus A330. Each of these retired wide-body aircraft represents a chapter in Delta Airlines' history, reflecting the airline's growth and adaptability in the ever-changing world of aviation. From the revolutionary Boeing 747 to the versatile Airbus A310, these planes not only connected passengers worldwide but also shaped the legacy of one of the world's leading airlines.